Okay, here we are ready for our poetry book this morning, Sid. So we are going to be calling up friends to find, guess what letter today? We're going to work on the letter Y. And Y is sometimes a vowel, A-E-I-O-U and Y. Y has two sounds. Sometimes it says the sound yee. What does it say? Yee. And sometimes it says the sound I, but in the word friendly, it's ye. So we're going to find all of the Y's. And I'm going to start off and I'm going to circle the letter Y, and then I'm going to color it in. And that is going to be the first one that I saw today. Okay. And now I'm going to call on people to come up and circle those sounds, that Y sound. Here we go. I'm grabbing our stick so we can draw. Are you ready? Yep. First stick is 6. Hamden's good. He's looking for the letter Y. He's going to find it, highlight it, circle it. We'll be good to go. Awesome job, Camden. Okay, let's find another one. Fabulous. Why don't you sit over here at the table so you can take your mask off, okay? And then if that doesn't help, we'll try something else, okay? Just take your mask off. All right, how about Kaden? Come up and find a Y. Not while I'm teaching. Okay, after Kaden, we're going to have Annabelle. I like the way he's tracking with his finger, looking on every letter for a Y.
I found the word my.
You did, and what letter is in the word my?
Y.
And does the Y in that word make the I sound or the ye sound?
Ye.
Does it say me?
I mean I.
It does make the I sound, doesn't it? All right, Annabelle, your turn. She's looking for now Layla, come up and do our next one. Ooh, what word is that Y in? My. Nice. Okay. Charlie, after Layla. That's in the word tummy. Does it make the ye sound or the I sound?
E.
Yes, good job, Layla. Charlie. She's tracking, looking for that letter. Don't skip any. Ooh, look at that. She found it. And what word is it in, Charlie? My. So does it make the I sound or the ye sound? My. I. Yep, good job. Okay, how about Kaylin? Right here. She is tracking with her finger. I like that. It makes me a happy teacher.
I'm a happy teacher.
Oh, what word did you find, Kaylin?
My.
My. And what sound is in the I sound making my? Or the Y sound? What sound does it make in my?
I.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, next let's have Lyric come on up. Lyric, I see 2 Y's. If you can find one of them, you're doing great. She's tracking with her finger. Yes, that word is happy. Does it make the ye sound or the I sound?
Ye.
Yes, ye. Good job, Lyric. Great job. Okay, next. Nico. There's one left. Do you see it, Nico? Awesome. Having it up there makes it easier, doesn't it? Okay, what word is it in, Nico?
I.
Yes, and does it make the I sound or the ye sound?
I.
Yes, sir. Look at all the words mine in there. Ooh, we know that word, don't we? Yeah. Awesome. Look at all of those. Thank you, Nico. Let's count and see how many Y's we found. Get ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Only 9. Let's see. 1, 2. My finger goes a little slower. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It's like delayed a little bit when you touch and count. So it seemed like we should have 10, but there's really only 9. So it's kind of funny how that camera works. Okay, so you guys did a fabulous job. So I bet when you're reading this, there's a lot of words in here. Let's look. The first word you probably know is this word. What is this word? And then it says friendly snowman. We could sound this word out probably. We don't know that. We haven't learned the B sound yet, but I bet we know what it is. Big. What word?
Big.
And then this word. And we're going to learn this sound next week. I'll tell you what it is. Sound it out. Get ready. What word? Fat. And then it says here. Do we know I-S? Is. And M-Y? My. And then this word is tummy. Yep. And what's this word? And this word is here. I-S says is. The next word. And we can sound this word out. Hat. What word? Hat. Good. We know the first part of this is I, and if we add a I'm. And this word is happy. And then fellow. Here's my. We know that word, right? My. And then what is it? Nose. What is this word? I'm. This word is all. And then we say snow from my head to my toes. Look at that. You can read the whole thing. You're so smart. Kiss your brain. All right. Now it's time to draw. I love the drawing part, don't you? Yeah. We're going to flip it over. We're ready to draw here. And you know me. If you're watching at home, am I the world's best drawer? No, I draw-ish, right? I make it look as good as I can. Can I do everything? Do I know how to do everything? Just ask Sid. I'm not good at birds, right? So we'll do the best we can. I have to grab a pencil, though. I forgot a pencil. Okay. Okay. So what do you suppose we need to start with to draw first? What would we want to draw first?
Balls.
Oh, raise your hand so I can see who knows something. Snowballs? Yes, because we want it to turn into a what, Layla?
Snowman.
Snowman. Do you think it would be easiest to start with a big ball on the bottom or the little ball on the top first?
Big.
Big on the bottom? Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna actually put some snow on the ground here because I'm gonna hope that we could build this snowman because there was a lot of snow. Let's hope, right? And then I'm gonna draw the first big snowball. And it is sitting on the ground. Look at that. Nice big snowball sitting on the ground. And then what do I need to draw after I have my big snowball? Lily.
Medium.
Oh, so is that going to be smaller or larger than this one? What do you think, Lily?
Smaller.
A little bit smaller? Like teeny tiny or just a little bit smaller? Just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to draw my next one a little bit smaller. Okay. Does that look a little bit smaller?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what? Alice. Another one? Where should I put it? On the top. Okay, that's your warning. Next time it'll be a letter. Okay, she says a little bit smaller on the top. So let's do that. A little bit smaller on the top. Okay, how does that look?
Yeah.
All right, we've got our snowballs just like Layla suggested. Now what? Raise your hand. Blakely.
And you have to do the face.
Oh, let's add a face. What should we put, Blakely?
A nose.
What kind of nose?
Carrot.
Carrot nose. She says a carrot nose. Oh, I think I can draw that. It's kind of the shape of a what? Triangle. Okay, got my carrot nose. What do you think, Lily?
Eyes and mouth.
What should I make my eyes out of? Like rocks?
Yeah.
Coal. Okay, coal is it's a kind of rock, isn't it? So we're going to make coal eyes. They might not be exactly perfect because rocks are not exactly perfect, are they? And she said coal for the mouth. And he's friendly and he's happy, so we have to make what kind of a mouth?
Smile.
A smile. Okay, so he's a smiley guy. Okay, what else would we want, Dahlia?
Button.
Ooh, yeah. Like he's wearing a coat. Huh. Okay, so
Use them at school or something.
We could. That would be cool. Okay. Some buttons. Annabelle.
A hat.
What kind of a hat? Like a Frosty the Snowman hat or like a stocking cap? A stocking cap? Oh, that would be kind of fun. I think I can do one of those. Stocking caps usually have some kind of a rim like this, don't they?
Can you put it?
And I'm going to get rid of his hat or his head in there because I want it to, and then I'm going to kind of draw it like this. You know what? I think it kind of hangs over like Santa's hat does. Oh, see, I'm not very good at hats. Oh, I got to work on my hat. Here, erase. What if I don't like it? What can I do? Erase. I didn't like that one.
Why don't we just do one of those hats that are easy?
What kind?
The ones that have they go down and then over, and then
Like-
over and then up.
Like the kind that Frosty the Snowman wears? Ooh, is it okay if I do that? I think I could do that one easier. I like your way of thinking. Do an easy one. So let's do this. We know it's a rectangle, right? It's a small rectangle, and then it makes a larger rectangle up here. And he might even have a belt on his hat.
Yeah, he does.
And maybe he has a flower that sticks out of it. I'll make that flower better. He probably doesn't because the flower probably wouldn't live in the wintertime, would it?
No. You should probably put a feather.
A feather? Oh, maybe it's...
On top of it. Or put a fake flower.
We could do a fake flower, huh? I think I kind of want a fake flower. You guys can do whatever you want on yours, right? So there's a fake flower hanging out of the top of his hat, just for fun. Okay? Oh, I have Quinn's hand up. Quinn, what do you think? Ooh, yeah, he's got to have arms, doesn't he? What are we going to use to make his arms? Sticks. All right. Oh, yes.
Don't forget the sticks.
Okay, there's one stick. I think he's kind of happy, so he's waving at everybody who walks by. What does he do at night? What does he do at night? Does he stay sitting in the...
No.
Or is he like those other snowmen?
Yeah.
Yeah, he probably goes and meets his friends, other snow friends, doesn't he? Okay, we got arms. What do you think now? Dahlia.
Maybe snow falling.
Maybe snow falling. Oh, yes, maybe it's still snowing. I wish we would get some snow like that. I haven't got to play in the snow yet. So, you know how we are. We like to draw our snowflakes. We make the plus sign. Oh, kindergarten, should we be talking or listening? Okay, listening. So we like to make the plus sign, and then we add a slant and a slant, and we could add that. Would we want the sun to be out?
No.
What happens if the sun comes out?
He melts.
He melts. We don't want him to melt, so we're not putting a sun out.
I am.
I do love suns, though. Maybe if it wasn't a bright sun. And then our snowflakes could continue all the way down to the ground, couldn't they? Mm-hmm. Okay, and we'll have some over here. What else might we want on this guy? Maybe we can think of one more thing.
Pants.
Well, he can't really wear pants because he doesn't have legs. He has a big ball. What do you think?
A scarf.
Oh, we could add a scarf, couldn't we?
So he can
Yes.
get
Okay. So, well, we could add a little scarf here. Again, I'm not good at scarves, but I know some of you are.
Well, I'm not. That's a story while he melts. But this is not that.
Yes.
When you drew the scarf on that snowman over there, your calendar chart,
Mm-hmm.
your scarf was pretty good.
Was it pretty good there? So maybe I can make it look kind of scarf-ish. Does that look scarf-ish?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I think that's all I'm going to put in my book. But if you guys want to add anything else wintry in yours, you certainly can. Maybe there's a bird that sits on his
I don't know how to draw birds.
Yeah, but I'm not very good at birds, am I? So I'm not doing that part.
No.
So what you have to do first, I'll wait till you're quiet. What you have to do first is you have to find all 9 Ys and highlight them. And then you get to flip it over and start your illustrations. All right, capiche?
Capiche.
All right, everybody wave to Sid or anybody who's watching out there and say, see you later.
See